so long this case has seemed indefensible. And of course he's going to say that now that this is a game changer, this is something that they hate because you've got both integrity and new facts that make us question the prosecution.
So you've given us, you kind of let us see what goes on behind the scenes. Now just help me make sure that I'm not missing one other thing here. And that is, does it really matter what happened before it became violent? Don't we assume that when the officers walked up, they had a conversation? That's all this is.
Well, listen, from the perspective of the jurors, everything that relates to before a crime, after the crime, and during the crime can be relevant in terms of credibility. So yes, I think it does matter from a factual opinion, but it only matters once it gets to a jury, and that is the job of the jury to decide what the facts are. I think that everyone can agree here that this is not the trial. It's a preliminary hearing. And guess what? Even if the judge thought that there was something hanky going on that was worthy of dismissing the preliminary hearing, all that's going to happen from a practical level is they would start all over. They have another chance to refile. There would be a new preliminary hearing, and the defense can do it that way.
Robin Sanchez, or Robin, thank you very much. Liz Habib is here. Starts us off with another homicide case.
Are you done?
Heights doctor has been ordered to stand trial for second-degree murder. Lisa Singh is charged with second-degree murder for the preceding drug overdose deaths of 3 men in 2009. During a 3-week preliminary hearing, she was portrayed as the go-to doctor for patients, and there was testimony that 12 patients died, but prosecutors said only 3 deaths were solely caused by prescriptions. Heather Trujillo, an assistant baseball coach at Kennedy Granada Hills, is charged with child endangerment. Police say he took 6 kids, their ages 14 to 16, to a doctor game last month. And they said Trujillo and some of the kids smoked pot in his car. Being held on $100,000. The southbound 14 freeway this massive pileup this morning near Agua Dulce. A big rig loaded with 25 tons of sand lost control going around a curve, and it hit several cars, and that triggered a big chain reaction. 19 cars, trucks, everything were involved in this. 17